Hello everyone! You don't know what to prepare for your party? Here they are! Mini pizza for buffet! Water, warm water. Next is warm milk. Fresh yeast. Granulated white sugar. Seed oil. Then incorporate the flour. And the last to be added is fine salt. Mix all together. If it is too sticky, let it sit for 30 minutes before kneading it. Here it is. It's time to knead it. You will see that it's already obedient. And let the dough rise, or let the dough sit for 2 to 3 hours, or until it doubles its size. Until it doubles its size. I will only use 1/2 of the dough. The other half I'll put in the fridge to be consumed tomorrow. Let's divide the dough into small pieces. We can make 8 small pizza or 10 small pizza. Let's mold each dough into a small ball. Now, let's season the tomato sauce. We add dry oregano leaves, a pinch of fine salt, 1½ tablespoon of olive oil, and we'll mix them all. Let's transfer the formed dough into the baking tray. With the use of our fingers, We flatten each dough and we stretch each dough with our hands so that they will become like this. Spread the tomato sauce on top. Add a slice of mozzarella on top of each dough. In the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until they are done. The mini pizzas are ready. They are ideal for buffet. Let's taste. Yummy mini pizza! Children will love this, I'm sure. Try this recipe. Thank you for watching.